In this video, I will show you how to activate your UOB card for overseas use. Call the UOB hotline at 800-221-21. Choose your preferred language. Press 1 to proceed. Then select the option to enable or disable overseas usage of your card. Once the magnetic strip is enabled, your UOB card will be ready for POS transaction and ATM access overseas. Visit the nearest UOB branch. Request the teller to activate your card for overseas use. The staff will process the request and your card will be ready immediately. If you are in abroad, call +65 6221 2121. Ask for assistance with enabling overseas use on your card. Follow the prompts and your card will be activated remotely. And there you have it. Activating your UOB card for overseas use is fast and easy whether you are at home or abroad. If this video helps, like, share, and subscribe.